Hey everybody, it's Lon Seibin. We've got another unboxing, and today it is the Fire TV Stick 4K. This is the new stick from Amazon. I don't think they've done an update on this in a while, so it's nice to see a big update here. This is 4K, but it will work on regular 1080p televisions as well. And we're going to have a full review of this coming up very shortly on my main channel at lon.tv. And I'm excited about this because I wasn't expecting to see that we would get Dolby Vision support in kind of a low-end product, but there you've got it. Quad-core chip, 802.11ac, so it'll support 5 gigahertz networks, and of course it'll work on your 4K television. It should also support regular HDR as well. I think it's doing the new HDR10 format too, so I think this might be kind of the ultimate HDR device, even though it is the lower-end device. So we've got a remote here. They have the voice remote packed in. And my dog wants to go for a walk, so you might hear her howling back there. Here we have the stick itself. I think it might be a little bit larger than the prior version. So there you go. Not much to it there. Just have that single USB input for power. I do believe this supports the Ethernet adapter as well. So if you're trying to stream some movies and stuff that have high bandwidth, you might want to pursue that. Power adapter here. It's a 5-watt power adapter. So not a lot of power. You could probably power this by your TV if you want. We have some Amazon Basics batteries here in for the remote. Here you've got your power cable. And this, and I think this might be something more and more people are going to be using, is the HDMI extender. And the reason why you might want to use this is that this is a lot to be hanging off your television. It's not all that heavy, but I'm always a little nervous about having a lot of weight against my HDMI ports. So what you do with this is just plug it in like so and kind of run it out the back of your TV. So you've got that option if you want. So that is it. So I'm going to boot this thing up and start playing with it and see exactly what this can or can't do. From what I've been reading, this might actually be a little faster than the regular Fire TV version 3 that has not been well received by the enthusiast crowd. This one might actually, I think, be something people might be more interested in. So I'm going to, again, start playing with this, get it hooked up to my OLED set upstairs, and I'll have a review for you probably in the next couple of days, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Too Much Sauce, Gerard Nuberg, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.